The INSETFY 13-inch grill pan for indoor cooking is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It brings the joy of outdoor grilling right to your stovetop. This pan is crafted from cast aluminum. Therefore, it heats up quickly and evenly. You can use it on gas, induction, or even in the oven. Plus, taking it camping or using it outdoors is easy. The non-stick surface ensures your filet or omelette slides off effortlessly. Cleaning up afterwards is a breeze. And that saves you valuable time. The design of the INSETFY 13-inch grill pan is thoughtful and practical. It features raised ridges. These ridges create those beautiful grill marks we all love. More importantly, they allow fat and grease to drain away. This makes your meals healthier and more delicious. There's even a small hole to help with the drainage. The pan feels sturdy and well made. It's a piece of equipment that seems built to last. You can confidently play with different recipes, knowing this pan will perform. It truly complements your existing cooking tools. Overall, the INSETFY 13-inch grill pan for stovetop is a great investment. It offers versatility and convenience. Whether you want to grill a steak indoors or sear some vegetables, this pan delivers. It's easy to use and even easier to clean. While it won't replicate the smoky origin of a true outdoor grill, it provides a wonderful alternative. For those who value privacy and easy cooking, this INSETFY 13-inch grill pan is a winner. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy grilled food anytime. Pros: stovetop use, non-stick surface, gas grill ready, induction safe, oven safe, camping use. Outdoor use 13-inch size. Cons: uneven heating, hot spots possible, grill marks may vary, cleaning can be tricky, non-stick may degrade, handle might get hot, bulky for storage, not for all cooktops, potential for warping, can be heavy. Features: cast aluminum, stovetop use, non-stick surface, gas grill ready, induction safe, oven safe. Camping use, outdoor ready. This 13-inch INSETFY grill pan is made of cast aluminum and has a non-stick surface. It can be used on a stovetop, gas grill, or induction cooktop. It is also safe to use in the oven. For camping and other outdoor cooking, the pan is designed to be easy to use and clean. This 13-inch INSETFY grill pan is made of cast aluminum with a non-stick surface and can be used on stovetops, gas, induction, in the oven, on gas grills, and for camping or outdoor cooking. While it offers versatility and the potential for grill marks, it may heat unevenly, develop hot spots, and the quality of grill marks can vary. Cleaning might be difficult. The non-stick coating could degrade over time, and the handle may get hot. The pan is also noted as bulky for storage, not suitable for all cooktops, and there's a possibility of warping. Plus, it can be heavy.